Hi, welcome back. Aurum here. Today we're gonna do a polling session of the collab character Lucy and Rebecca. Well, Rebecca weapon. If you come from my part 1 of 3.4, so yeah, I do this video directly after I've done with the second attempt of part 1. You will understand if you watch that video. Anyway, so yeah, today we're gonna do a polling session for both Lucy, her weapon, her signature, and Rebecca's signature, and I will only pull one of each, and probably gonna do the rest at the end of the patch, which probably will be included in a live stream reaction. I think we will see. I don't know. The reason why I'm doing the polling right now because I need more team. Second, actually that's it. I need more team, and of course because I'm planning to pull them anyway, and I have enough for now. So I decided to do the polling session right now. Even though technically for the material I need to go in unless I can teleport, because I will do the story later, which probably 2 week from now or something. That's why I don't know if I can level them up, because the next video will be me attempting endgame attempt, because it's reset in about a week from now. I think all of the endgame mode, so I'm gonna do that next week. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. My reasoning of pulling them right now and doing the rest. And if you didn't check my part 1 of 3.4, in that I explain about, yes, so they have cumulative reward when I do a pulling session on when I pull on Lucy and Rebecca banner, and in total I need to pull 420 times to get all the cumulative reward, and I count how much asterisk I need in order to get all the cumulative reward. Let me just go into the, yes, where is it again? This one? Yes, as you can see there, in order to get all of this, basically to get 2 copy, and I can only select one of the 2, which is interesting. Not only that, they have their own shop. So when I do pulling session here, I will not get the usual coral, but instead I get the limited coral that will be disappear, I think, after the shop gone, which is really sad. I don't think, why did they do that? I don't know. Maybe so that people pull using real asterisk, I mean real money, I mean obviously. And thankfully I accumulate at least half of this 420 pool, because 420 pool mean that it require me to have, let me check again because I don't remember. 420 multiply by 160, so I need to have 67,000 asterisk, and currently I have 37. Yes, so I need, this is to get all the accumulative reward, which I probably gonna do more depending on how much I squeeze in the game by exploring all the area that I have not yet explored from Rinasita. So yeah, I need in total 30k, around 30k, which I don't know if I can get that. That's just for the accumulative reward, by the way. Again, because of this is limited banner, like really limited. I don't know if they will rerun the banner. Maybe they will if they release David in the future. We don't know yet. But at least for the time being, since this is the most limited thing in Wuthering Waves right now, I'll focus to make them max. Like I need to pull 7 of either of them and only 5. Well, I don't know. We have technically, if you go to the shop, see, we have another 2 which can be used for either Rebecca or Lucy. See, I thought we're gonna use this, but no, we need to use this, which only have 41 day for the shop, which is sad. I don't know. Sure, I guess. But yeah, let's just start first with Lucy. Character dreaming upon the moon, and also this banner has its own. So pretty much I'm 0 out of 0 full for guarantee, you know. Can you fail? I think you can. Let me check. So yeah, we can have the normal 5-star. Anyway, let's start. Lucy. And to mention, they also use unique tide, which means you cannot use your save up golden radiant tide, which is why I never transform Asteris into other Wuthering Wave compared to the other, at least other gacha which has 1 currency for everything. Anyway, let's begin. First 10 pull. Oh, I have 1 from the login, yes. Nope. Yeah, it is the coral. Let me check. Yes, elusive coral, and yeah, we don't get this one. That's so sad. 20 in. If only this is guaranteed. Oh, Lucy. Oh, I thought it was. I was gonna sing the song, but I forget the song. I don't remember. I don't remember the song. You know, the Edge Runner song. The Lucy. We're gonna hear the song if we get Lucy anyway. Let's see. Undying Flame. Sword of Voyager. Lucy. Yes! Yes, the song. 20 and I got. Okay, this one of the first time where I got character early. Why it's so laggy? When I got Rebecca as well in the first attempt which corrupted, they also laggy. Anyway, so Lucy get. Well, technically, the only pulling session I have on this channel, when I pull for Denia, the latest one, and before that was Chisa, and that's the only 2 character I pull on the channel. Because before that, the character I pull was Cartetia, which that was before I start recording. Anyway, Lucy, yes, 12 elusive coral. That's it. Now let's move for this one first. Let's see. I think this one is guaranteed, right? Yes, guaranteed. So I don't have a problem with this. Let's see. Absolute pull session. I wanna check what you do first. Pull session. Spectral trigger. Attack, resonant skill, spectral damage bonus, stacking up to. Yeah, it's only for this. Only useful for only for Lucy because of the hack shifting. Yep, attack and crit damage. First one. Oh. Technically count. Yeah, okay, so only weapon, no, only character. I will do this later, I guess. Let's just keep that there for the time being. but never mind. Is it 30? Yes, 30. So it is count toward the accumulative reward, not just the character confin. 20 in, no, okay. So 30. Okay, no, it's guarantee, so I shouldn't be worried too much about weapon. And only again, for weapon I will only get 1 copy each. I think. I mean, I don't think the only difference between level 1 and max level is just double the attack, basically double the effect. But it's not really, yeah, for pulling extra 5 copy is only doubling the, it's not worth it. Anyway. Okay, how much did I do again? I think this one is kinda, let's see. So we did 50. Okay, this one 60. It's not early, but it's okay. Amity Accord. And this one 70. Usually Sopiti here. Kick. Yes. Sanju. So you also, yeah, again, elusive coral. And this is it. Pulse, trigger pulse, spectral trigger running. Maybe got 2 of them. I don't know. I never get double before. Okay, never mind. And now for Rebecca Absolute, the same name. For this one is different, but Absolute full session for both. I wonder why. And yes, this patch is only 31 days for some reason. Again, forcing people to using real money if you want, especially for people who pull for both Denia and Hyuki last patch. And also because of Hyuki, those people probably gonna pull for Lucilla. Well, unless they wait for Lucilla rerun, we don't know. Anyway, moving on. First, 10 pull. Yang. Wait, what did I screenshot? Nope. Okay, I clicked the wrong thing. The share button. Nope. Early, 30 in, 30 something technically, depending on how much I from the other weapon. 43, I think. 53. Nope. They don't have any character. Oh, they have red up, but not for weapon. Well, they have red up for weapon. 63. Nope. Well, this is so pity. Usually, this is where we got the weapon. 2 of them, maybe. Treasure. Second one, because technically she dual weld this. Nope. Okay, sure. And that's it. I still have okay. How much did I do in total? 160 pull. I can get, well, I will save this for later. So I still need a lot of wool, and let's check the character out. First of all, let's add Lucy here.
ただ働きする気はないわ。
Okay. Yeah, like I said before, the character detail compared to Wuthering Waves character, technically, Wuthering Waves character has more detail, considering this is how they look like in the anime. That's why they didn't add anything special to the character, which mean they look exactly the same. Yep. But either way, limited.
Yeah.
Yes, Netrunner.
逃げる気？
Technically, okay, her skill only doing this. I wonder, is there any other special effect
動かないで。
compared to Rebecca? She can transform between weapon. Feel like Rebecca play style is more fun, even though let's see their role. Rebecca is conserve efficiency, basic damage attack, heavy attack, amplification, Twin Brick Boss. Wait a minute, Twin Brick Boss. I can use Rebecca with what part of the thing is Twin Brick Boss, I wonder. Oh, okay, it's need to have this skill, which can only be gained by... Isn't this technically only Lucy? Technically Lucy are the only one who can... Okay. It's said to Brick Boss, but maybe Lucy Boss. Boost, not Boss, Boost. So hack respawn, blah blah blah. Let's see about Lucy. Lucy is... Yes, main DPS. Basic attack. Okay, so both of them... So she deal heavy attack damage and amplify basic attack, which is you basic attack. I haven't. Okay.
Yeah.
I will just watch guide, I guess, for the detail. Yeah. Anyway, let's level them. I don't think I can level them because material for them are in the new area, Night City. Let's see how far I can level them.
サイバーウェアやソフトウェアのアップグレードとは違う感覚。本当に不思議ね。
Yes, it's different. Yes, what is this? I need to get this from... Yes, Night City. What about this? This is Adam Smasher. Yep, I cannot level them past 40. Unless, maybe I can if I do the trial, I don't know, we will see.
Yeah.
Yep, the same material for both. Let's equip their weapon, which I don't think I can level as well. Let's see. I will always use this just in case I miss. Just in case I miss, I didn't lock. Because if you check my linear pulling session, you understand. Basically, I'm collecting each type of every weapon. So I haven't currently arranged them. I forgot to do that. So just to be safe, I'm using this manually. Can I actually level them without needing any material? I feel like yes. Ascension successful. I said this before I forgot to say this during my part 1 of 3.8, 3.4 I mean, because my first attempt was gone. Basically, when I first get Rebecca and try her, I remember developers say she is similar to Linai, but from my perspective, I don't think so. The only thing similar between her and Linai is the fact that both of them, using the gravity thing, and that's about it. Her personality is not like Linai at all, in my opinion, at least. Linai is not. I mean, if you know Rebecca, you understand. She is interesting, to say the least, compared to. This is such a problem. I will probably check. Did I? I think I'm done. I locked one of. I don't know. Maybe I didn't see. Just in case I found unique weapon. Maybe though. That's why I didn't do this. This is such a problem for the Lucy one, but either anyway, I can max both. Is what I mean. Even though technically, I don't know. Maybe should I start again? Next week is the endgame attempt, which I wanna do as soon as possible. Oh, interesting. Double attack. Oh no! That's not her weapon. Whew, I thought it was. Switchy. Yes, it's crit damage. Okay. I can if only I can choose the option for this, but I cannot. So yeah, anything else I not talk about? Well, I will check another thing before after this. I don't know. Again, should I do the story as soon as possible? But I have backlog that I need to do. That's the problem. Maybe I start the first video until I unlock the Night City area, and after that I can just yeah, that's actually a good idea. I will probably one video, but I will release that video later alongside the rest of the story. Yeah, that's a good way. So I can pretty much level them on screen. The character, I mean, because again, the material requiring me to go to the Night City, which I need to do the story for that. Then that's a problem, because I have a backlog for a lot of, you can check what I'm currently playing in terms of playthrough based on my YouTube banner. I'm gonna check the trial for them. Did they reward us with material, which mean can I increase their level up to 50 or something? I don't know. We will check after this. Not this. After this, checking the rest. So we have this, this. I wanna check the affiliation. Let's experience. Unknown affiliation Leroy, okay. Yuki Aoi, yes, her voice is by Yuki Aoi. For the Japanese one, if you know Yuki Aoi, I mean everyone know Yuki Aoi. She famous. Kurosawa Tomoyo. Well, I never heard Kurosawa Tomoyo. I'm sorry, Rebecca, but what the unknown affiliation unknown? I understand birthplace, but who your affiliation? Rebecca? Huh. They have Forte? I wanna read this, but maybe later when when their intimacy level max. I'm still leveling the other character intimacy level, but yeah, that's all. Well, not really. Let's go to the trial. I wanna check the reward. So no, we don't get material. So I guess I need to start. Maybe tomorrow I will do one video for part 2, but I will upload it later. Yeah, until I unlock Night City. That seem like a plan, so I can level them and use them next week for endgame attempt. As you can see, I think I'll talk about this during part 1. I'm waiting for this to reset in 1 week, so I can do endgame attempt. The rest already reset. So yeah, I wanna use them here. Basically, that's my target. So anyway, is that all for their team? Yes. Before I watch guide, I wanna check. Her outro skill is incoming resonator gain Agent Bone. Okay, so Rebecca to Lucy. That's pretty much confirmed. What about Lucy? All resonator. Yes. So the order will be Rebecca. No. This is my team for them currently. Let's adjust the position. Lucy will be the last one. Why I cannot? Well, I need to put. So the last team will be here. Storekeeper. We start with Storekeeper. Go to sorry. Go to Rebecca and then Lucy. Yep, that's my. Let's see. How do you look like with the bike? Invisible. Okay, never mind. Loading. Interesting. You look better than the other. Well, maybe not from from behind the character still. This is still my survey. I don't know if they're gonna update this, but anyway, that's all for polling session. See you guys in the next episode. For Wuthering Web will be endgame attempt. Yes. The next time. Bye.